Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. My topic name is pigeon. Pigeon is a beautiful bird. They have two large wings. Pigeons are usually black and white in color. Pigeons are known as messengers. Pigeons have soft feathers. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Haya. My topic name is duck. Duck is a bird that lives in water. They have feathers when they fly little. Duck sound is quack quack. Duck baby is called duckling. They have short neck. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Vedaant. My topic name is owl. Owl is very intelligent and fast bird. It is found almost all over the world. It has brown, gray, black and white feathers. Owl is considered the vehicle of Goddess Lakshmi. Owl sleep during the day and hunt in the night. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Sid. My topic name is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth. They are feathered and they have a crown on their head. Peacock life is generally up to 20 to 25 years. Peacock loves dancing when it's rain. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Manvi. My topic is parrot. Parrot is a very beautiful bird. It has a red beak. It's found in many colors. It boils and very sweet. It lives on tree. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Aksam. My topic is crow. The crow is a bird. It's black color, a noisy bird. Its voice is hard. It can fly high in the sky.